to Eco Plus. Eco Plus, Organic Plus, that all that process was got certified. Even in that we have used softener and all finishing chemical which was totally got certified. And when we sold this garment to in our store to consumer, we had that some NGO. Whatever profit we earn on that particular garment, we say, okay, we will give to NGO, and we will do that. Each garment sold, we will put one plant sampling, and I think we did almost 1.5 lakhs plant in that. Alan Solly, we have used that Go Green campaign. We have taken that shirt made from 100% eco process, saving energy, water, and emission of CO2. It was 32% reduction in that entire processing for that particular product. We have used natural color cotton, but in India, natural color, I think color vibrancy is not so good. We launch it, but we didn't get a very good response on that because color aesthetic was not very. But we launched that almost 3 years back, and we continue with that 2 season. We have used T-shirt which was made from coconut fiber, and coconut fiber is the special patented technology where coconut carbon particle is being used to make that special product. It was again very successful product launch which we had. Non-product, we have our own manufacturing unit. We have our 8 manufacturing unit, and out of all our manufacturing unit qualify to environment and energy requirement. One of our unit, even we are going ahead with that green manufacturing unit, where we will have that LEED certification and all that energy will be solar, and we will be using only that natural light, this and that. So we are taking our manufacturing unit for LEED. We keep doing lot for education and healthcare in our manufacturing unit. All our operation is certified by EMS. We have OSA certificate. All our manufacturing unit, head office, retail store, warehouse, across value chain, we are certified for all these things. And these things we are doing voluntarily. We don't have any compulsion to all these things, but we are doing it voluntarily as a part of our sustainability initiative in group. Regarding product and process, we are going with that raw material and trimming and finishing, which has that lower carbon footprint. We are the only retailer in India who has done that carbon footprint mapping, and we have taken target that we will reduce every year 10% carbon footprint. We are using recycled packaging material and stationery. We are further taking how we can reduce energy cost and all these things in transport management, because transport and fuel is a big problem nowadays. At retail level, we are going with many initiatives, but few are that how to reduce power, how to reduce return, how to reduce cost, how to reduce capital expenditure, and how to make all our retail and other back-end operation 100% safe. We have taken all these policy. Now we are planning to extend. We have already done we have almost 120 vendors who work with us. Out of that, we have taken 45 vendors where we will go with that full MFL code of conduct, and that we have ethical buying, which will be taking as a accreditation with them. About people policy, we have that. I think we are the only company where we have that ratio of men's to women's employees the highest, except IT company. I'm talking retail company. We take care of health and wellness for all our employees. Our safety norms is very, very strict. We take care of all worker, manager, associates, consumers, and safety is taken as a critical thing. All our location is fully complied with safety. Even in indirect like transport and all these things, we take care of safety of the employee. And we have that employee help service wherever there is problem that anyone can call and then get their problem solved. It's 24/7 help desk. Our group is known for CSR and we keep doing a lot of activity in and around our manufacturing unit. We do a lot of health intervention, we do that blood donation, health check for free services and all these things. We do that pulse polio and all. We have taken technology also for our sustainability thing. How to make use of technology for sustenance of all these things. All our manufacturing unit we have that biometric thing, and store also now we are taking how we make it more ergonomic and how it to become more and more consumer friendly. These are the some energy initiative which we are taking at our retail store and warehouse and manufacturing unit. Waste management is the one thing which we are taking. We are planning to go for e-billing, and we are lot of consumer they use that poly bag. So we have voluntarily decided that we will not give poly bag. We will use carry bag, which is paper based.